wondering which way to turn. I've been trying my best to keep from getting burned. All the holy power that lays in the Lord can relieve your heart of its heavy storm. And although now the rain may fall, I know we can tear down that wall, take a walk around and enjoy life. We can reclaim our lost time, our lost time. And one of these days we'll get out of this place. I'll be just fine if I can see your face. No, it may not be today, but one of these days we'll get out of this place. So we'll just wait and let the world turn, but the time will come, it'll begin to burn. So let our souls and spirits fly, and we'll find happiness by and by and by. No, the devil don't have a hold on me. I was tied to his chains, but I broke free. He thinks he can just do as he pleases, but I wanna kick him between his teeth. So we must get washed by the spiritual rain, 'cause we won't ever know what tomorrow may bring. Speaking things into existence never sees the day, so I guess for now we'll go down our